What is up, Trade Safe Nation? Coming on here to show you a very, very special version that has been uploaded and is now live on TradingView, and it is available once you are part of the Trade Safe community. So essentially, this is version 3 of TradeSafe, and I want to share with you, if you don't know, if you didn't see the prior videos, and I'm sure there's new people who have came on here who didn't watch the video, but I kind of just want to share real quick why I created TradeSafe and why I created this, let's call it indicator, but it is not an indicator. This is a safety on a gun. This is the safety on your basically capital, right? So every single gun that you see has a safety in which every single account, every single live and funded account, guys, should have a safety on it. Now, my problem was not calling trades, guys. My problem was simply overtrading and revenge trading. I could call beautiful trades. I mean, I record all my trades, and I will be uploading a bunch to kind of go into detail as far as the way that I trade and technicals and why I take the trades that I do, and just many different examples of this. But basically, my thing was overtrading and revenge trading. And here's the thing. When we're trading, we're by ourselves, guys. It is what it is. We're by ourselves. We don't, like at these hedge funds and at these proprietary trading firms, guys, and I've talked about this in my past videos, right? Essentially, you're trading against teams, and these guys are winning because they are teams of people, right? So just keep that in mind, that when you're sitting there alone, you want to have a buddy. And a lot of people, a lot of traders, trading is a very lonely game, right? So naturally, if you're a trader, you're really probably more of like a lone ranger, you know what I mean? So realistically, you're not going to have a buddy there with you. And this was created to have a buddy with you, right? This is the essentially angel on the shoulder. So, again, keep that in mind. Now, I want to show you how this works, right? Basically, before, we did not have a take profit line. All we had was a stop loss line. So, okay, cool. Yeah. If you entered a trade, you put your stop loss trigger on there, and it was triggered, sure, it would block the screen, and that's what it was created for, to kind of give you that visual stimuli to, okay, let me get up, let me walk away. But, I thought, hey, what about the times that I've taken a trade and I'm in profit, and then I want to over trade, and then I end up giving all that money back and more, right? So I went back to my coder and I said, you know what, man, we need to put a take profit line on this, so that when your take profit gets hit, you also get that visual stimuli, incentivizing you, saying, hey, I beat the market today. It's time for me to get up and walk away, right? That's it. When you have taken a trade and you have, beat the market, that's it. Get up. It's a better, tomorrow's going to be a much better day than to continue to add more positions and risk the capital you just made. It never works out, guys. It never works out. Think about the times that you've been in profit and you give it all back. So again, we now have a take profit line, and we now have a long line, okay? So let's just, see how this works, so you can kind of see how it works. Now, the take profit line and the stop loss line, they're the same thing, right? They're going to do exactly the same thing. So we are going to get stopped out, but essentially just imagine that once your TP hits, this is going to happen, okay? Which is the screen blocks, and it incentivizes you to come back tomorrow and just get up and walk away, right? Essentially, if you were at a prop firm, if you were trading with a team of guys and you see a guy going on tilt, they're going to literally grab you from that chair. Okay, like somebody will be like, "Hey, get up, let's go," and that's it. So the problem is that when we're trading alone, guys, we don't have this. Okay, we just simply don't have it, and many people actually just they're scared to tell people, right? So, but anyways, check this out. So we're gonna get stopped out, and this is what happens, and I'm gonna get back to my point. I just want to show you what's going to happen when you're using this and you get stopped out. Boom. That is it. Okay, done. Like, I can no longer see the candles, guys. And this is incentivizing me. That's it. Get up and walk away. Somebody turned off the TV. Have you ever been, watching something and your mom's bothering you, and you know what she does? She just turns off the TV, and that kind of like clicks you out of like this zombie mode that you have, and you're like, oh, okay, fine, I'll get up and walk away, and I'll go clean my room or whatever the case. So, again, the most important thing, and I've heard it time and time again, guys, is and this is from top tier traders. We're talking about veterans, guys. We're not talking about these like little young bloods that have been trading for 3, 4, 5, 6 years, and they sold courses, so they're profitable because of their courses, and they're like showing you all these wins, but they're fake. No, like we're talking about real verified veterans, and the number one thing is you can take 99 trades, and just one trade is enough to blow your account, guys. So again, what was this created for? This was created for the beginner, for the average, and for the professional trader. Now, most likely the professional trader is not going to need this because the pro has already built that discipline. This is a tool for discipline, guys. Over time, you will not need this. You will just start getting up on your own, okay? And, this is the angel on the shoulder that says, get up, walk away, okay? Trade safe, right? Like trade safely. Like the name itself is what is the mindset that you should have on a daily basis. I should be trading safe. I should be trading smart, trading safe, being disciplined. All of those things, guys, is literally what this brand and this community is about. And I'm trying to develop top tier traders of my own, guys, because I also want to have my own hedge fund, and I want to have traders that I trust with my money under me. You understand? So, again, and I want to have some fun, right? Because the whole thing is like the visual stimuli, and like, so about like, subliminal messages and all that good stuff. So it's like, here's some kind of like subliminal messaging for you, which is just like, the whole thing flashing in front of you, which you'll see in a moment. But, again, and here I'm just basically explaining that you have two lines. Remember, boom, when your TP hits, I wanted to show you what that is where your TP would have been set. That's where I set it. That is where it would have been hit. And boom, you would have been triggered. And that's that. The screen is blocked just the same. So I'm really pleased with this version 3, guys. I'm really, really pleased with this version 3. Forget the indicators. Forget all that stuff, guys. I use very simple indicators, and that's VWAP, a moving average, and the tape. That is it. That is all I need on the daily basis. I don't care about all these weird, indicators that they promise this and they promise that, and all these. Just learn trading and be disciplined. This is what Trade Safe was made for. It was made to create discipline within you, okay? And that is the only way you will be profitable. There's so many people. It is so simple, guys. The answer is so simple. And this is what you need. Visual stimuli of trade safe. Like, I'm going to drill this into you. Trade safe, trade safe. This is your visual stimuli. Trade safe. I'm going to drill this into you until you get it, guys. Until you get it through your freaking thick skulls, because, that's what you guys got. You got some thick ass skulls that you can't, because you don't have a buddy system. You don't have someone there every day to remind you. Get the fuck up, walk away. Tomorrow's going to be a new day, guys. This is what we are here for. And in a sense, in the live sessions, the same deal. Once we take 1 to 2 trades, I will be reminding you, get the fuck up, guys, walk away, go work on other business, do something else, learn, read the course, read the book, the Trader Trap. The safety has been triggered. Either take profit or stop loss. So just keep that in mind. If you want to trade with us live every single day, link is in the description. If you want to hit me up on Instagram, that's Mr. Romero FX. That's Mr.RomeroFX. And yeah, guys, really looking forward to connecting with you guys. Really looking forward to helping you guys learn. And remember, trade safe. Trade safe.